Drugs, sex, and attacks recorded on video. New evidence in a hate crime case against an Amish sect. The entire Amish community in 3 states now living in fear that these men will get out of jail.
A court hearing is going on right now. The leader of that breakaway Amish group, Sam Mullet, his 2 sons, and his son-in-law are all there. Kristen Severance with the Ohio News Network is just back from court. Chris, what's expected to be the outcome of this hearing?
Leon, first of all, the hearing is still going on. Prosecutors are arguing to keep these men in jail. I was in court all afternoon, and I learned brand new details about what went down at a raid on Sam Mullet's property last week. The alleged ringleader of the breakaway Amish group, Sam Mullet, is brought into federal court Wednesday, where he and 3 others faced a judge. Prosecutors say he was the mastermind behind the hate crimes, where 7 men cut the beards and hair of others for not following Mullet's group. Andrew Hyde represented 5 of the 7 co-defendants when this was a state case before it became a federal one.
The feds have no evidence that Sam orchestrated this, told the boys to do it, wanted them to do it. The most they have, the most they presented in front of the magistrate today is he might have known about it.
Inside, a federal prosecutor interviewed the lead FBI agent on the case. The agent said during the raid they found Sam Mullet in a bedroom with a wife of one of the co-defendants doing, quote, sexual counseling. He said they found the scissors and clippers used in the attacks and that marijuana seeds and cocaine were found in a barn on the 800-acre property. The agent also said when they went to arrest Emmanuel Schrock, a co-defendant, he barricaded himself in a room with a child. The prosecutor also asked the agent about recorded jailhouse conversations between Mullet and others, where we learned 2 of the attacks might have been recorded and that Mullet may have forced one man into a chicken coop for 12 days. Hyde said it's no coincidence these salacious details were put out there.
This is kind of what's upsetting me about how they're proceeding with this case. They're trying to win over public sentiment and put these outrageous facts out there, which I'm glad the trial process is going to force them to back that up.
I'm told the hearing should end any minute now. We'll bring you any updates on air and online at newsnet5.com. The 3 remaining suspects will be in the same federal courtroom on Friday. Live tonight, I'm Kristen Severance, the Ohio News Network.